Who are influencers and why is that my concern? You need to focus on inviting the expert speakers as well, but you also need to widen it to bring in key influencers in your niche. Now, these are people who are focused on adding value to their audience, and by consistently doing value addition, providing knowledge, information, sharing research with their audience, they have built a tribe. And it is our job to find out who these influencers are in a particular summit niche, reaching out to them and engaging, having them as a part. Now, why is that important? One, the quality of the content and the quality of the summit grows infinitely because these are influencers who are building their particular niche over a period of time. By inviting them, they'll be happy to share that know-how, and your credibility and influence also goes up along with it. What we call associated trust. They have already built a trust with their following. By you being associated, learning from them, inviting them, interviewing them in your summit, that is an associated trust that builds up. This is something that you go ahead and invest in a relationship. Remember, this relationship building with influencers is not just for this particular summit. You are investing into the future. And therefore, what is in it for them? You are exposing them to a much wider, newer audience that you are building up. In return, your summit also gets exposed to their following as well. It's a win-win opportunity, but it's an investment into a relationship that you would need to do. Engagement, it's not just about the number of likes. It's how their particular following engages, shares, comments, retweets. And remember, these influencers are across channels. Those who are running podcasts, who have a wider Twitter feed, Insta feed, whatever you call, in your niche for that particular topic, you would need to go ahead. And one key aspect also is it helps cross promotion. You are going to be providing them a platform and marketing them. And in return, most of the speakers that I have dealt with go ahead and market the summit to their fan following as well. And this is a win-win reason why you will need to go ahead and start building relationships and inviting influencers onto your virtual summit. Your homework right now, in your particular niche, why don't you go ahead and find out who are these influencers across which channels and how do I reach out to them? Any questions about virtual summits or finding influencers and experts, feel free to reach out. I'm Praveen Shekhar, Outlier Marketer.